Hello, now is the day for the spelling test. Because you're doing CKLA words and you're not doing the regular Reading Horizons words, your spelling test is going to be a little bit different. And so you'll only have your 10 words you've been practicing, and then you'll have 2 sentences, and you'll still have some bonuses that you can do. And so we'll just have 10 words, but when you mark them, you have to mark the syllables as well as the vowels and the breve and macron marks. So you don't have to tell me which phonetic scale it is, but you have to mark the syllables, the vowels, and then those marks. So the first word that you're going to write down is establish. We had to establish a routine for spelling, establish. These are going to take you some time to write down and to mark, so go ahead and hit pause after every word. It will help you to do a better job. Your second word is thrive. I hope you thrive in spelling this year. Thrive. Number 3 is transform. I would love to see your spelling transform this year. Transform. Number 4 is unravel. I hope that you don't unravel as you take this test. Unravel. Number 5 is surrender. I hope you never have to surrender and you're always able to keep up the good fight. Surrender. Number 6 is fatal. The pig had a fatal heart attack. Fatal. Number 7 is acquire. I hope you acquire 100% on this test. Acquire. Number 8 is seize. I hope I'm able to seize this test and give you 100%. Seize. Number 9, promote. I hope we didn't make a mistake when we promoted you to CKLA spelling. Promote. And the last word is retreat. Please do not retreat when you're done with this test. Retreat. Okay, so go ahead and back up, do any of those words you need to do. Look at the markings really carefully, and then we'll do your sentences next. The sentences can just be written on the bottom of your screen. Your first sentence is, he will seize the gold. He will seize the gold. Listen to me closely. He will seize the gold. Your next sentence is, I will retreat to my bedroom. I will retreat to my bedroom. Listen closely. I will retreat to my bedroom. Okay. Now we're on to the bonuses. So the words that I would like you to write in ABC order. First, unravel. Then fatal. Then establish. I'll say those again. Unravel, fatal, establish. Put those in ABC order for me. And your nonsense word that you can get bonus points for if you mark it correctly is blig. Blig. Back up and listen to anything that was confusing. Make sure you have your syllable marks, your vowel marks, your breve and macron marks. Make sure you cross out any letters that don't make a sound. Make sure you have your sentences with capitals and periods, and you've spelled everything correctly. Make sure you've done ABC order, and you've marked your nonsense words, and make sure you've used nice handwriting.